Hey guys, this is Vicki with Southern Crossroad Creations. Really cute DIY snowflake ornament. You're going to take 4 wooden clothespins and take them apart, and then 4 smaller clothespins and take them apart as well. You're going to hot glue them back to back, just like I showed you there, and then lay them out before you start gluing. And I wanted to kind of represent the Christmas star. I know it has more points on it, but this is kind of what I came up with. So I did the 4 larger clothespins and then the 4 smaller clothespins. And look how cute this came out. You wouldn't even have to do anything to it. You could literally just put a ribbon on it and hang it on a tree. If you have a rustic tree, it would be so cute. I wanted to kind of give you some options here. And so I took some Snow White apple barrel paint and just painted. I did not cover everything completely because I wanted it to still be rustic, and you'll see another technique that I'm getting ready to do on it anyway. Now, I love this gold leaf rub and buff, and all you're going to do is, I like to take my finger and do it because I can control it a little bit better than the paintbrush. And all I did was I just took a little bit on my finger and just rubbed it across the snowflake, and look how pretty. Did the same thing on the back. And then I also took some of these little pines. Now there's so many possibilities. I'm just giving you some ideas in order to kind of create your own. But I did the little pine and the little berries. I have so many of these, so I thought I'm going to go ahead and use what I have. And so you do the same as well. And then this little beaded ribbon, I've used this before in some of my crafts. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I love this little beaded ribbon. And I did not want just a regular ribbon on the top because it was just so pretty. So then I just took some white ribbon and just made a little bow for the bottom underneath the berries and the pine. And y'all, look how cute this came out. So simple. There's so many possibilities that you could do these with. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you're inspired, and thank you for passing it down the road, which means share, like, and comment. If you need supplies, just message supplies, and thanks for joining me.